Good morning, traders. FreeTradingVideos.com. You're here with Breakout. We have the markets up 10 points on the S&P, 1.45%, 92 on the Dow, 14 on the Nasdaq at 1.31%. Like I always say, I want to see that Nasdaq leading the market. Right now, it's not. This is looking good for the S&P. Crude oil is up $1.60 right now. We need that. We need this sector to really pump through. We need transports to really pump through. And we could then go up. We are trading right at 700 right now. That will be a resistance. Okay, short term. This is where we had a lot of selling yesterday. We'd come up into that 700 mark and sell off. 700 mark, sell off. So we need to clear above 700 on volume to the upside if we're going to go up. All right, gasoline, $1.34. It's on the move back up. Fill up the tanks. Gold down 90 cents. Okay, not dropping much here. I mean, it's dropped 90 points over the last 2 weeks, so it's had a considerable amount of drop. Probably needs to bounce short term before continuing that drop. IBM up 72, Chevron up $1.02, and XM up 54. We're looking good. And we can see the gold ETF down 20 cents. Alright, let's get to a chart. Here we are, daily chart of the S&P E-mini future. You see this is where we're currently trading. We're way down. Not too much to talk about here. Coming to 60 minutes. This is our low of yesterday. Coming to the market close, and we can see we've been floating up in the overnight trade. Beautiful, nice little retracement here. Let's see if we can't continue this and move to the upside. If not, we break this 680 level. 680 is the support on the cash market on the monthly chart. We break that 680 level, we go into free fall. Long way down. It's a long way before we hit another support level. So it's important to maintain these levels. The last couple of days has basically been a sideways market. So Monday was a considerable down day, absolutely, but like I showed you on Illustrated, for 5 hours we were sideways. Yesterday, basically a doji day. Nasdaq ended up on the day, and we can see in the overnight we've been trading to the upside. I do want to show you this. There's been accumulation in the big Nasdaq companies. Look at this: Research in Motion, RIM, FSLR, Baidu, ISRG. Were all up yesterday, and the Nasdaq did close slightly up yesterday. So, sorry, slightly down 1.84 points. But we can see the 2%, 5%, 6%. Okay, RIM nearly 3%. So we've got buyers coming into this market, and they're buying these technology companies. So that is an indication. Okay, not saying it's the bottom, but it's an indication to a near-term bottom. This is something to add to it. We had gold drop, we had US dollar rollover, we had the 10-year Treasury note rollover yesterday. We need to see that follow through to the downside as any one day of rollover. But this is very interesting. We've had 2 days of accumulation in these stocks here. I just wanted to bring that to your attention. Let's check out the news, because we do have ADP reporting at 8:15. ADP being the employment report on the private sector, and we have a 697,000. Oh, wow. That's a big number. 522,000 last month, 697,000 this month. And there was a minor reaction. Nothing too major. Still at 9.25, 9 points after the report, and it's 4 minutes after the report. So market's holding up considerably well, seeing that's a very, very big number. Some people use that as a leading indicator to the employment situation report on Friday. What's also better than that is actually calculating the weekly jobless claims coming out on a weekly basis. Okay, ADP reports out. Big numbers to the downside. What else we got? ISM releasing at 10 o'clock. That can move this market. Oh no, Geithner speaks again today. Petroleum status report 10:30, and the beige book at 2 p.m. So this will be an interesting one as well. We've got an interesting day ahead of us. So traders, stay safe out there, use stop losses, and if you trade in these wild markets, probably reduce position size. Thanks for attending freetradingvideos.com. Have a great and successful trading day.